Hey you guys, how is everyone doing? Hope you're having a great day, great week. And Mrs. O is back again, you guys, with another video. This video can either be for your New Year's Eve or it can actually be for Christmas. You remember when I did greens and I posted the video of the greens? Well, I had quite a bit left, so I froze the greens. So now what I'm going to do is repurpose those greens. You guys, save your leftovers because you can always do other dishes with them. All right, so today we're going to do a collard green ranch dip. So we're going to take those collard greens that we had before and we froze. We're going to chop them up. We're going to drain off all of the pot liquor, make sure they're dry, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. All right, let me show you what you're going to need for this recipe. All right, we're going to need a package of ranch dip mix. We're going to need lemons. We're going to need 8 ounces of sour cream. We're going to need mayonnaise. I just got the light mayonnaise because you really don't need a lot of that. Also, I'm going to add to this, I'm gonna say almost a half a stick of cream cheese. I like the way it makes the dip taste. And of course, our repurposed collard greens. I had turkey necks in these greens, so don't pick out the turkey necks. You know, don't pick out the turkey neck meat. Just chop it up like you would, you know, putting in your greens. But anyway, we're going to use the greens as we did them and just chop up the greens pretty finely with the turkey meat in it. All right, let's get all of our wet ingredients in a bowl. Then I'll show you what we do next. All right, I've mixed the ranch dressing package, the sour cream, the mayonnaise, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. So this is your mixture right here of all of those ingredients. And you don't want any lumps in it, so try to smooth it out. All right, and I'm not adding any seasonings because the ranch dressing dip mix has quite a bit of salt in it, and also I seasoned my greens, so you don't want it over salted. So what you can do, you can taste this mixture right here before you add your greens to see if it has enough salt. All right, can you see that? All right, and then just that simple. We're gonna add the cooked, chopped, and drained collard greens to this. Okay, that's pretty smooth. So let's go in with the collard greens. Okay, come out of here because I really drained it really well. Now I might add a little black pepper because I'm thinking that's what it needs, but I'll find out. Then all you're going to do is mix it up. It's a pretty festive collard green dip also, because you remember I added the rotel tomatoes, so it'll be a little spicy, you know, not too bad. But can you guys see this? Perfect consistency. So I'm going to let it chill for about 2 hours. Then I'll come back. We'll plate it up. And I'll also have, I guess they're baguettes I got. I'm going to toast them so we can dip them in our collard green ranch dip. That looks pretty darn tasty, don't it? All right, you guys. I'll be back. And when I come back, I will show you the finished product and presentation of our collard green ranch dip.